Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Mr. Game here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around is the GoPro Supercharger. I know this is a very long old product that has been in the market for like 4-5 years, but I think it's still relevant until today's date because they are still selling this supercharger in the market, and their output power is about 27.5 watt, which makes it very similar to the Apple iPad charger, which is about 20 watt. And the special thing about this is it comes with the dual head, one being the supercharge and one is just a regular USB, which you can place it for your iPhone or any other accessories. They come with all the international plugs, so very thoughtful of them. And over here in Singapore we are using 3-pin plug, so the rest of the head I was just going to ignore it. They also comes with one USB-C to C cable, and beneath it is just the instruction manual, and that's about it. So like I said earlier, Singapore is using the 3-pin plug or 2-pin plug. I'm just going to connect that into this charger right now. The feeling of this is quite good, I must say. There's this velvet finishing on the top. So let's go to the real world testing right now. And over here, this is the Apple original 20 watt charger, which is small, compact, and is well built. Nice design, I must say. But usually when you go out to the field, you have a lot of things that you are bringing out, so this might come in more handy as compared to the original Apple charger. So right now I'm just going to do the real world testing. Over here I have my iPad 12.9 inch, and over here I have my GoPro dual charger together with it, and this is connected via a USB type C. Right now I'm just going to use the USB type A to USB type C and charge the dual battery for GoPro. And I have my Nomad cable, which I'm going to connect straight to my 12.9 inch iPad Pro. And just so you know, if you haven't seen my cable review for the Nomad, make sure you check it out on the link below. And you can see right now both of them it's working fine. So it took about 1.5 hours to fully charge my iPad, which I think is significantly fast enough as compared to the original Apple charger, which took about 2+ hours in order to get a full charge. But not only that, you also can charge your iPhone or your dual GoPro battery if needed. So comparing it, you are killing 2 birds in 1 stone, which for this scenario you are charging 2 items with 1 brick. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you find this video useful, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.